Welcome back to my channel. I'm Kimberly, and today I took you along with me while I went to Aldi's, and I did stop by Walmart afterwards also. There's a few things I had to get there that Aldi's didn't carry, but I just wanted to take you through my little grocery haul here and show you what I got. And yes, I call this little because if you've seen my other hauls, usually I spend a lot more, but just had to fill in the gaps for some things and get some things for some upcoming dinners. So let's get started. Oh, and by the way, I just broke off both of my thumbnails like right before I started filming. So yeah, that looks great. Sorry. Okay, so I got these Danish butter cookies. My husband loves to eat these. I am going to be making some chili coming up. Usually I do wait and make chili when it's cold, but it just sounds really good, so I do want to make some. I did get some assorted ramen noodles that my husband likes to eat, and then the spicy noodles my daughter loves. She eats these all the time. These, I have been like eating these every single day for my lunch. I don't know why I'm so obsessed with these right now, but they're really good. I get them from Aldi's for like $1. I did get some of these au gratin potatoes to go with a dinner meal. A couple of vegetable broths for a dinner I'm going to be making. And a couple of juices, guava, mango, and strawberry kiwi. And then I did restock on some of our canned veggies that we were out of. Some panko breadcrumbs, I'm going to need that to cook with. Some more olive oil. I just got some more of this imperial margarine I need for cooking. Rice pilaf is going to go with one of our dinner meals. And then I did get this chicken flavor Knorr and cheddar broccoli rice for some sides with dinners. And I did get Jiffy corn muffin mix. I like to serve corn muffins with my chili. And then I did get some more spaghetti. My son he's obsessed with spaghetti, so I'm gonna make some up for him that I can just reheat for him throughout the week. This is actually the only non-food item I did get. We were out of toothpaste, so. I got this new wing sauce I wanna try. It's a spicy garlic, and then this original Buffalo Moors. I usually always get Frank's Red Hot or Buffalo, but I thought I'd try something different. I got some more Italian dressing and some ranch for some salads this week. And then I did get some Ready Whip. I'm gonna make strawberry shortcake. So of course that's why I got the little shells there. And then for dinners, I got this Atlantic salmon from Aldi's. I thought it looked really good. It's already seasoned Mediterranean herb. And it's perfect for my husband and I portion wise. And then I did get these Black Angus petite sirloins for dinner one night, and then a big thing of the chicken drumsticks that I will make for dinner, or probably a couple of dinners. I got myself some more fruit. I've been drinking a lot of smoothies lately, so that's for my smoothies. And then these frozen waffles, of course, for the kids in the morning if they want something quick. You can see my chip bag back there has already been opened. I don't know if your children are like mine. They act like they cannot wait to get home, so they start busting into everything. So that's why that's already opened. I did get this big bag of chicken wings from Aldi's that I'm going to make for dinner one night with the buffalo sauce that I got and the garlic sauce. This wild caught Alaskan cod. I don't know if you guys have had or seen this at your Aldi's. I have just recently seen this and I'm so excited. This is the second time I've bought it, and these are like pretty good portion size. I don't know if I can show you if you can see through that bag or not, but they're really decent sized portions. They're not too thin, so I love this cod, so I got more of that. And I've been obsessively eating these mini sweet peppers. I absolutely love them. And I dip them in hummus, so I did get myself some more roasted red pepper hummus to dip those. This, I know this will be good. It's this restaurant style guacamole chunky. But my mother found when she was in this, it's called like avocado pesto sauce. I was so highly disappointed. I was wandering around the store after I realized they didn't have it, like about to lose my mind. I was so depressed because I am so obsessed with that stuff and I'm out. But this will be okay for now. And then I got this gourmet tomato mix. I love these. They're so beautiful. I love all the different colors. It just, you know, you eat with your eyes first, so I can't wait to have those. I will dip those in my hummus as well. And then I got this one little cucumber my daughter insisted on getting. She does love cucumbers, but she said, Mom, that's for me only. So I got that for her. And then, of course, strawberries for our strawberry shortcake. And I picked up 2 of these tomato, basil, and garlic spaghetti sauces because I need to keep as much of this stuff on hand as possible for my son. Some more bananas for the kids and I. And then, of course, 2 loaves of bread. I did get these hoagie buns because, and where did it go? Back here. I'm going to make some meatball sub sandwiches. So that's what those hoagie buns are for. And I'll use some of this marinara sauce for that too. And then I got some of this smoked kielbasa sausage. We'll have that for dinner one night. And the vegetable oil back there. Of course, I use in different cooking. And then I restocked some more plain bagels and our everything bagels that we love. We do make sandwiches out of those or just have them with cream cheese. And these little ice cream cups. I think my daughter already ate 3 of those on the way home, which is totally ridiculous, but whatever. More bottled water, oatmeal cream pies. Those have been opened by my son. And then I got stocked up on some more of my black cherry sparkling waters. And I got some ginger ale and cherry coke for my husband. And the last thing I got was this mega meat pizza. These pizzas are really good. I get these from Aldi's. Just take home and bake them, and we really like them. So I am going to have that for dinner tonight because I don't feel like, you know, coming up with anything gourmet. So that is everything from my haul. I think I'll probably do a couple of recipes or meal videos this week that I'll show you some of these meals that I'm making. And let me know what you guys are having for dinner this week. I would love to know in the comments below what kind of stuff you're making. I'm always looking for new ideas. Oh, and let me tell you real quickly how much I spent at each store. Okay, so at Aldi's, it was $120.86. And then Walmart, I spent $41.48. So, not bad. About, what, $160 or so. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this Aldi's Walmart haul video, and thank you so much for taking the time to watch it. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe and hit the bell notification so you won't miss any of my videos. You will see all sorts of things on my channel. I am a Jill of all trade. There's so many different things I like to do. There's something for everyone on my channel. So I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye. What are you doing? What is that?
It's my legs.
They're on your legs?
Yeah. Stop robot legs.
You got robot legs?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.